Hello, this is Talking Ben here. I am going to have a drink. That felt good. Now say I'm a little bit hungry. That was delish. See you later on Talking Ben.